My name's Paul McGreavy. I'm from the UK. I'm actually a patient advocate, and today I'm here in a personal capacity. I think digital twinning is a really important element in medical research, but it's something that most people are not aware of. And I think it's very important that the industry and the medical profession do a range of things. One of them is to make sure that everything that they do is transparent and that patients are able to see and understand what's happening. I think it's also really one of the most important things is that when patients look at the way in which their data is used, the idea of data security is fundamental to what they believe should happen. Their personal data needs to be private to the profession. I think patient involvement in design is crucial too. It's no point in having things done to the patient. We need to do things with the patient. And that's really central to this. So patients need to be proactive in working with medical researchers in order to develop the power of digital twinning. As part of that, there's a really important element which is about informed consent. The patient does need to understand what's happening when their data is being incorporated into an AI, a digital twin. And I think continuous communication throughout the patient's life is really important if their data is evolving in the twin in parallel to their physical body. I think those are I would say, probably the 5 most important things as far as I'm concerned in terms of building trust between the clinician, the patient, and the twin. There's one key takeaway from my point of view around the whole concept of the Virtual Human Summit, and that is that the patient needs to be involved from the start. The industry needs to incorporate patients in their development. The patient needs to be incorporated into research that's taking place, into the trials that are taking place before distribution to a wider patient population. Events like this are important, I think, because it gives members of the med tech profession, members of the healthcare profession, access to discussion and dialogue along with patients in order to assess the potential and the perhaps issues that are around developments that are absolutely fantastic in scientific and technical terms, but sometimes ring alarm bells, particularly for patients, for reasons that I've already mentioned, and the principal one being, I suppose, data security.